My dear friend, as you are well aware that Islam is a rogue ideology. The Islam of the full of the goons or full of the rapists, killers and the stupid fellows, which are known as the Muslims. Because a true Muslim is a perfect goon, perfect criminal, perfect killer, a certified criminal according to the Quran, which I have read so many times. I think 600 times I have read the Quran, and it has been found in the Quran. The Quran is the book of the criminology. Quran is the book of the molestation, how to molest the non-Muslims. Quran is the filthy book, one of the worst book of this world, and Quran must be banned from the towards through the full world. Those people who are following the Quranic followers and all due to the their vested interest in the vote as the France, Emmanuel Macron. They are foolish people. 91 Christian population of France is fearing to the Islam. This is the same for you. You are the super duper race of the society. That is the vice rate. This is another fact that every person migrated from the coast of the east coast of the Africa continent, all were the blacks, or due to the hibernation or due to the cold weather, the skin became whiter slowly. So today we will discuss about the Islamic Gunism, Islamic Gundagardi in context of the Yazidi persecution by the Muslims. Yazidi, a group who worship the peacock like bird known as Taus Malak, also written as Malak Taus. This is a monolithic ethnic religion. God created the world and entrusted it in the care of 7 holy beings. And God's name is Zawid. Persecution of Yazidi by Muslims since at least the 10th century. These people speak Kumaji or the Kurdish language. The Yazidi religion is regarded as devil worship by the Islamic fundamentalists. Yazidi has been persecuted by Muslim Kurdish tribes since 10th century after 214 Sinjar massacre of 1000 Yazidis by ISI, Islamic State of uh, Islamic State of Syria and Levant. Yazidi are still facing the violence by the Turkish armed forces. Sinjar massacre. The massacre was the beginning of the genocide of the Yazidi by the Islamic State of Iraq and Levant, ISI. The killing of the 1000 Yazidi and the abduction of the Yazidi women used them as a sex slave. And this is my book in this contest. That is Lament of Sinjar on the Saswat publication, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. You can purchase this book from Amazon and Flipkart. See you. Vijay Kumar Pal. So, since inception, this massacre by ISIL was started in 3rd August 214 when ISIL attacked on Sinjar mountain after capturing it, a nearby town by a rogue true Muslim, Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi, a true Muslim in Islam, and a true Muslim is the criminal, certified criminal. All the Muslims of India, which are the true Muslim, they are the certified criminals. So Madarse and Quran must be in India, otherwise Kafir International Army will eliminate all the madrasa throughout the world. Time is being coming very soon. And a true Muslim in Islam who is dead against Kafirs and killing machine to Kafirs, a lunatic, stupid Islamic terrorist. There was killing of the Yazidi up to 2,000 to 5,000 and women and Yazidis were kidnapped and used as sex slaves, and the males were killed or silted by the Kafirs, silted by their knife, their necks, and 1,000 children were made captives, or even sodomy were prevailed by the ISI rogue terrorists These Yazidi were enslaved by YPG and the PKK, all supported agency against Yazidis. Supported by strike, evaluated the majority of 50,000 Yazidi trapped Mount Sinjar on 8 August 214. The United States of America launched an airstrike on ISIL units and convoys in northern Iraq, which led to military intervention from several countries against ISIL. On 17 December 214, the Kurdish Peshmerga and the PKK and YPG force started on 12 December 214. This, in this Sinjar offensive with the support of US airstrike, this offensive broke ISIL troops and many Yazidis escaped by their own efforts. Many women were molested by Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi, a hardcore terrorist of the Iraq. He used the same tactic to spread Islam as since inception or origin of Islam. When he was killed by army, or it has been said that Baghdadi blown out for the suicide for escaping the UN army. Actually, Yazidis outcast from Muslims because their deity are different from Islam. After Kurd was Islamized in the 10th century, they joined in the persecution of Yazidis because this is the teaching of the Islam. Convert the people in Islam by hook and crook, and same Kurds were doing in hope of Jannat. 72 hoods, which is never, and the wine and the garden. This is the great, covetous dream which were given by Prophet Muhammad Sahib, but this is not proved perfectly on the basis of any evolution or in scientific way. In the 10th century, Yazidis were persecuted on the Hakkari mountain. Many times Kurds tried to force the Yazidis to convert, and almost majority Yazidis were converted in Islam by force or by fear of beheaded. In 1414, Kurds destroyed the holy Lalis temple, which is the very holy or the holiest temple in Nineveh in Iraq, and desecrated the tomb of Sheikh Adi, born in 107 in Lebanon in Bekaa Valley. Though he was Muslim Sheikh of Arab origin and his birthplace is still a place of pious for pilgrimage, the Yazidi consider him as a avatar, Nabi, prophet or noble of Tause Malak, which means peacock angel. Muslim understood him as one of the pioneer of the asceticism and the scholar of Sufism who held firmly to the Quran and Sunnah. Suma, tomb of the Lalist Bedir Khan Beg and the Muhammad Pasha massacre. In the year of 1832, about 70 thousand Yazidis were killed by the Kurdish Muslims. Sometimes it seems that Muslims has opened a slaughterhouse everywhere in Muslim majority to kill the Kafirs, and the whole world became hell for this violent theology of Muslims against Kafirs. In 1831, Muhammad Pasha massacred the people of Kalak village. Bedir Khan Beg and Muhammad Pasha were the butchers of the Islamic doctrine to kill the Yazidis. In 1831, Muhammad Pasha went to Kalak village and attacked on entire population of Yazidis east of the Mosul. Bedir Khan Beg massacre can today be classified as a genocide. At the time of genocide, some fled away to forest and nearby mountain to save them. In 1833, again Yazidis were killed by the Muhammad Pasha. The preparers killed 500 Yazidis were killed in Greater Jab, a town in Iraq. This attack was on Khatra and in Sheikh Khan village respectively. In another attack by Pasha attacked 300 villages of Yazidis. The emir kidnapped the 1000 Yazidis and sent to town Rawandis at the border Turkey and Iran. In 1832, Bedir Khan and his troops committed a massacre against the Yazidi in Sekhan. His army almost killed all Yazidis. Some Yazidis managed to escape on the Sinjar on the mountain or ridges. In Rawandis, Muhammad Pasha gave two alternatives to Yazidis: either Islam embrace or death. Those who were denied to adopt or embrace Islam were killed, and rest converted to Islam. After Badr Khan attacked, many Yazidis attempt to escape towards the mountain Sinjar, and some of them drowned in the Tigris river because they do not know the swimming. About 12,000 Yazidis were killing on the bank of Tigris river. Yazidis, women and children were enslaved, and women were consummated and enslaved for brothel, as per the practiced theory of the violent Islam. In 1833, the Yazidis who were living in the Agara region were again attacked by Muhammad Pasha. The rogue Muslims with Muhammad Pasha army killing almost 5,000 Yazidis who lived in Sinjar and killed them. In 1842, Badr Khan attacked on Yazidis and forced them convert into Islam. The 7 villages inhabitants of the Yazidi were forcibly converted to Islam. Many Yazidis also defended themselves against the attack. The Yazidis leader Ali Beg mobilized his force in order to oppose Muhammad Pasha. Ali Beg troops were outnumbered and he was captured and killed by Muhammad Pasha. In the 19th century, persecution of Yazidi by Muslims. Actually, those people who does not follow the path of Islam, if he is under the Islamic country of Islam, following people, majority areas are under the bloodbath. Bloodbath and anti-human and the rogue followers of the Islam means Islam is a dictatorship rather than a religion or the cult, but an army of lunatic, maniac and laymen, imperialists who never respects for another religion cult. However, some Muslims are giving respect to others, but this is their personal attitude. Otherwise, their cult followers never allowed to kafirs as much respect being a kafir. And the verses of the Quran specifies this to kill the kafirs. Actually, this religion was of the killers, rapists, vagabond, uneducated, uncivilized, and the robbers. Gang under the good guidance of Muhammad Sahib, not the good guidance, but the criminal guidance of the Muhammad Sahib. Actually, he was a messenger of the cult, not the God. And he was also a rogue person, a certified criminal, that is the Pagambar or the Nabi, self-proclaimed of the Islam. After the Ottoman had given a certain space of most persecution to Yazidi, as in 1849, repeated invention by many writers, travelers, and diplomats in this matter, according to Strafford Canning, was the first Viscount Stratford Radcliffe, KG, GCB, PC born 4 September 1786, died on 14 August 88. 88 नहीं भाई 1880, was a British diplomat who became the best known as the long-time British ambassador to the Ottoman, who became a cousin of George Canning, stated that Yazidis were most persecuted in this time, even comparison to Jews, and Sir Aston Henry Layard stated the same, as he was the British traveller, archaeologist, cuneiforms, art historian, draughtman, collector, politician, and diplomat. They both sent to the Ottoman Journal Omar Wahabi Pasha in 1819 or 1892 from Mosul to the Yazidis in Sheikh Khan, and again gave the Yazidis, refused the area of Sinjar and Sheikh Khan, and gave the Yazidi in the Sheikh Khan, and again gave to the Yazidi. Third time, ultimatum to convert in Islam, that Muslims are usually did against Kafirs. They started to perform series of the massacre. The Ottoman rules means Caliph of the Muslim world mobilized the Hayamite cavalry, later founded in 1891, to take action against Yazidis. This is the face of the dictatorship of the Islam. Many Yazidi villages were attacked by the Hamite cavalry and the repentant were killed. The Yazidi villages of the Basak. Basak is the town located in Al Hamadantia, the district of Ninama government in northern Iraq. And Behzani means the house of treasure is Oman located in Al-Hamad, Ania, district of the Ninama government in northern Iraq. Were also raided and many Yazidi temples were destroyed. The Yazidi Mir Ali Beg was captured and held in Kastamonu premise of Turkey. The main central shrine of the Yazidi Lalis was captured, held for conversion in the captivity of the Ottoman army, and converted into a Quranic school, that is the Islamic Kunism. This condition lasted for 12 years until Yazidi were able to recapture their old man's shrine. During the Armenia genocide, Yazidis were killed by some Kurdish tribes. More than 3 lakhs Yazidis were killed by some Muslims, and rest were fled to Transcaucasia, a South Caucasus, in a geographic region with the border of Eastern Europe and the Western Asia, studying the southern Caucasus mountain. This area is now roughly the modern Georgia, Armenia, and Azerbaijan. Some have taken asylum as refugees in the Georgia to avoid any persecution by the Kurds. So we will continue this series, the persecution of Jews by the Muslims. And the Islam is total Gunism and the group of the criminals, rapists, and the monsters, because the Muhammad was a certified killer, rapist, and the monster. And the followers of the Islam, that is known the Muslim, or the follower of teaching of the Muhammad, that are the certified criminals. It is our duty to by our Kafir International Army to shut out all the madrasa throughout the world, and shut out all the mosques throughout the world, to save the human values and to entrust the peace and harmony among the peoples. The Islam cannot be digested by the good person, but this rogue ideology will be eliminated very soon in 5 years. It is my firm belief. And the international Kafir army will eliminate all these Islamic goons which are killing the non-Muslim in the name of the Islam. That is the Gunism, or that is the teaching of the Muhammad. And the Muhammad was the perfect killer, rapist, and the most dreadful criminal throughout the world of this history. Thank you very much.